8 straight weeks of being a profitable trader. We're doing our thing. We're staying on track. We know what our goal is. The goal is on the wall, on a spreadsheet. And we now 8 straight weeks of being a profitable trader. It's the end of the quarter. So let's talk about the market. Right now, currently, how can I say? It was a slow week trading, because anytime the Fed is speaking, people are waiting to find out what the Feds are going to say. And then to have two speakers speak on two separate days, that just made a lot of waiting. And in addition to having Friday being Good Friday and the market's going to be closed, at least for what I trade, US 30 and NAS. So the market's closed. So that's a lot of waiting and then having a day of closure. And so I already had NAS 100 trades open from the previous week, and I'm still in those trades. It did not close out like what I'm used to. I'm really used to, and if it's always happened that if I hold over some trades over the weekend, by Tuesday, Wednesday, those trades are closed out. But that didn't happen this week. I'm still holding those trades, but that drawdown is low. I have no concern about the current drawdown because it's low. I'm still running a 0.01 lot size. Now, if I was running a different lot size, something higher, then that drawdown would be higher. And that's one of the things people have to realize when you're managing your account. Don't try to swing for the fences. We have access to something that you can grow over time, and it won't take you a long time, as if you were in the stock market. Trust me, I know. I spent a lot of years in the stock market. I'm still in the stock market, but I have a lot of years of experience in building my wealth in the stock market. So I know what it takes. It takes time, it takes consistency, and it takes patience. Time, meaning it's going to take you 30 years. Consistency, meaning you have to invest a certain amount based on what your goals are each and every pay period, each and every week, each and every month. You have to be consistent with your investing, even in the down markets. But that's when you want to switch that psychology and invest more. Whatever that percentage was of your paycheck, if you're working a job or if you have a business, just whatever it is that you're putting into the market, you have to be consistent. So I kind of got off track, but so even with those things going on, those three things, two Fed members speaking, and then closure on Good Friday, I still got profits. Now I didn't hit my goal for the week, but when I step back and I look at things from a high level lens for the month, I exceeded my goal for the month, because there were weeks where I exceeded my weekly goal. I just take what the market gives me. Whatever the market gives me, I take. If the market don't want to give me anything, I'm not going to force it. So like this week here, I didn't meet my weekly goal, but I got profits. I'll take it. And part of those profits came from, because I'm in a drawdown on NAS 100. So the profits came from US 30 and my secret sauce strategy. So between those two, that allowed me to be profitable, even with having some drawdown. So don't ever be afraid of drawdown. be afraid of drawdown when you are risking too much and that drawdown is getting higher because of the lot size that you're using, and you know you shouldn't be using that you shouldn't be using that lot size. So I don't have anything else to say, and and this is the other thing, the other key part to why the market was doing what it's doing. It's the end of the quarter. It's the end of the quarter, and so fund managers, people who manage money for their wealthy clients, they're doing what's called window dressing, and they're making their books look good for the quarter. So they may have to sell off some assets or purchase some assets or whatever they need to do to make their overall portfolio for the quarter look good. That's what they're doing, and that messes with the market. So, and this is things that I added to my bootcamp document so that I can be aware of these things at the end of the quarter, and then I trade a certain way. So I don't mentally beat myself up for not making my weekly goal, because there are so many other factors. Two Fed members talking, Good Friday, close on Friday, and the end of the quarter. Those are things outside my control. And even with those things, I was still profitable. 8 straight weeks. Come on, man. Come on, man. Now, with this being the end of the quarter, now I have to decide with myself, am I going to take withdrawal? Am I going to take funds out of my trading account and move it to my internal wallet on the broker? Because that's step one. You got your trading account, and your trading account is trading everything on that balance. You can do a withdrawal, but the first step of the withdrawal is moving funds, whatever you're going to withdraw, to your internal. I'm going to say guess what it is, your internal wallet. So you'll move those funds to your internal wallet. And so your trading account does not have access to those funds, because the next step is once you move the funds to your internal wallet, then you're going to withdraw them. And then you can withdraw them either in Bitcoin, USDT, USDC, Ethereum, and there's some other options. But your withdrawal, and matter of fact, not just your withdrawal, your deposits and withdrawals are in cryptocurrency. So that's how you get your funds into your broker. And what I'm thinking about doing is doing my first withdrawal in Bitcoin, and I'm gonna have it go to my cold storage wallet, and I'll just store my Bitcoin. Now, I do have other cryptocurrencies that I have in a self-directed Roth IRA, so that I don't have to pay taxes on my Bitcoin growth. But in this case, I'll be self-custodying that in my Ledger wallet. And then when I do my next withdrawal, I'll be using it to pay down some debt. And my next withdrawal, I'll be using it to buy dividend paying stocks. So that's the plan. That's the goal. And we have to have plans, and we have to have goals so that we know what we are going to execute on. So, man, almost a 10-minute video. All right, y'all. Peace out. If you want to get access to my bootcamp document and get access to the software that I'm using, and then eventually get access to my, my secret sauce strategy, because I'm not letting anybody get access to the secret sauce strategy until 6 months after. 6 months after you're just using the software and the current strategies that I have outlined. So be successful with that, and then we'll put that secret sauce on there and get you some extra profits. But yeah. All right, y'all. Peace out. Down in the description, click on the link if you want to get started. If you want to get information about my bootcamp document, about the software I use, about the strategy, And let's get it. Peace.